everybody, and welcome to my other survival thing. So, you know how I wanted an egg? Well, look. I got one in my hand. There was a chicken right there. I searched everywhere but there, and I finally found one chicken. And he had an egg right next to him. He might have just dropped that or something. So we have an egg. Keep being careful not to press on the screen too hard. Let me just hit my iron sword, because if I press on the screen, then I'll throw it, then I'll be lost, and then I'll be so sad, and then I'll have to wait around that little chicken to lay an egg, and it might take an hour. So, yay. I found the chicken, so it might be exciting to, start the video when I found an egg, so we can get started baking on that cake, because that will be fun. So, yeah. Then we can set up a little table. Actually, you know what? We're not going to set up a table in the right way. I'm thinking of building something. It's going to be a bakery. I'm going to build a bakery, and I'm going to have the cake in it. I'll probably get lots of materials and stuff like that. But let me make sure I have all the stuff I need for a cake before I get too excited and carried away. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. So I have an egg, 3 wheat, 3 buckets of milk, and 2 sugar. Okay. We have that. Okay. That was just my dad, by the way. And that's why I said yeah. Okay. So anyways. So we have all that stuff. Let's put all my stuff away because this is a very precious moment. 3 wheat. We have the egg. We need to make the sugar cane and sugar. And we need to milk the cows. So first, let's make the sugar. Two sugar. And what was I going to do again? Oh yeah, milk the cows. Okay. Yep, 3 buckets. And we're going to make this cake right after I sleep. Honk shoe. Yeah, it's in the morning. Now let's make this cake for the bakery. Probably going to eat it at the bakery. Dun dun dun. Dun. Did you know what? This is only my second cake ever in Minecraft. Making cake ever in Minecraft, this is my second time. I mean, I've seen a cake, before I even made one, because of creative. But you can't really eat one in creative, so, yeah. So, in the next video, we're going to get started on the bakery in the next video. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!